It's New Year's Eve, and my sister and I planned to ski up to a mountaintop fire lookout called Skycastle. The climb up was long and arduous, so I'll spare you the 6 hours. Darkness fell, and we were both in survival mode, just pushing our tired legs to reach the top. The name Skycastle is fitting, because the tower is literally a castle in the sky, if a castle was built in 1948. The story behind it is that it was abandoned in the 70s, and after that was restored for a guest house venture, but now houses telecommunications equipment for Columbia Wireless. My plan was to time-lapse all night, but the clouds rolled in, covering the stars, so there is no stunning night sky photos to show you. It's January 1st, 2019, and we just woke up in Skycastle Lookout, looking over Slocan in the Kootenays. And this might be one of the coldest places I've ever slept in my life. One of. As you can tell by all the frost on the windows. Outside, a winter wonderland greeted us, with views in every direction. At 1723 meters, it's not the highest I've ever spent the night, but still elevating regardless. When I woke up this morning, my shirt, which I had taken off last night, was stiff as a board, just frozen stiff. And the sun is starting to loosen it up a little bit now, but I'm not wearing that. The clouds have parted and we're hitting with this spot of sunshine. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. And it's actually not even cold when the sun comes out. We've got clouds below us, and the Valhalla peaks are just a little bit hiding behind the clouds over there, but they're right across the way. And I'm enjoying my second coffee of the day. Some guys flew in a helicopter and they're working on the radio equipment in the lookout. But man, if only those Valhalla peaks would show, you'd get to see how beautiful and stunning they are. It's a great place to start the new year.
Look down here. Yeah.